Kings and queens, what's happening? Hope all is well with y'all today. Just want to send my love and blessings to y'all as always. I got another one for y'all. Y'all ready? Hope y'all ready. It's called Sound of Silence. Let's get it. Silence is powerful than speaking, like moving one's lips, but spoken so loud without sound is like laying on the ground wanting to feel and know the moods of nature, knowing feels of touch, but not actually hearing the touch. But silence of known is beyond the drums of butterflies, changing into their full potential, hearing the race of sound, but if can't be taken away, will be like showing teeth or hair to notice the miscapable of a why or simply ignoring a knock, but to feel momentum to the heart of using the sound, like folding a tower and never see the use of one, like a door without a knob to even walk through, but noticing writing with a pen. But what is the notice that is so sound silent by eardrums, hiding like fire on a floor mat, repeatedly screaming knowledge, but opening a empty book bag of books that refuse to be taught, like putting clothes in a drawer, silent, but still hear the sound without silence. So is sound of silence stronger than sound? Remember, my kings and queens, these are your best friends. Trust and truly have faith not only in God, but truly in thyself, to understanding, knowledge of knowing, which shifts our mind to certain thoughts, or to acknowledge certain things. So remember, your brain is your best friend. He he who he or she who can master their brain can also master their thoughts. And to, like I always tell y'all, bringing into foreseeing the unseen, into programming the mind to do and be capable of its full potential of what you thinking you actually know it could be. Okay? So remember, in order for us to be understanding and truly knowing thyself is to actually challenge every part of the brain, not only the brain, but your thoughts also. Knowing what to control, when to control it, all that is very important, y'all, okay? But been switching up my schedule a little bit. I got something planned. I don't like making plans before time. That's just how I always been, but I got something planned in store for y'all that I'm getting in order. But I think y'all gonna like it. It's to help shift more, since they say I don't like to properly break down the things that I be speaking, honey. When I could walk it, definitely like you talking, baby. You hear me? But yeah, but that's the whole point. I think certain things is not to actually give y'all, certain things that I speak is not to actually give you the answers to, but to actually challenge that self and that brain. Remember, y'all, we can't always lean off of not only our own understanding or others, but we have to solely rely on God. Okay? But I just want to share that with y'all and tap in and feel my love and blessings to y'all as always. But I love y'all and I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Bye.